Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? Congrats on the new intern role. I'm just gonna give it a minute here to see if anybody else joins up. First one went over really well, so we will see. Yeah, Meta was the first thing I caught today. It was pretty solid. It was moving really weird though, to be honest. Um, like the candles were just odd. What broker is this? This is Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. So go ahead and get it started here. First thing I'm gonna do is just consolidation on NQ. There's nothing I really about. We'll just go ahead and get it started from the top of the watch list. All right. So I do like this 167 on Apple. I mean, we're kind of far away right now. It could happen tomorrow, but uh, I'll definitely put a level there and make sure that I have Apple marked, which I do, just so I know to come back to that if there's nothing else that I like. But yeah, we can go through here and see. No 30-minute trends getting in the way. No 15s. This 5-minute trend is kind of invalid. And yeah, nothing on the one. So yeah, I mean this does look like a decent setup to the upside if we get that tomorrow. I was actually looking at this to the downside, but we never got that, I don't think. We broke. Oh yeah, we broke pre-market today. Wow. So for charts, so this is just what I've always used for charts. All right. Airbnb, I'm expecting nothing, and we have nothing. Perfect. AMD. Uh, hmm. Don't really like anything on AMD, to be honest. Amazon. See, kind of just doing the same thing as NQ in a consolidation. I mean, we broke below. We dropped a lot more than we did on NQ, but we're pretty much just back up to this high here. There's not a whole lot that I love about that. Apple looks like a much better setup, so I'll probably skip on that. BA, wow, whoa, BA died. Got news 1 minute ago. Oh, manufacturing issue with supplier. Hmm. Pauses max deliveries after parts problem. Interesting. That could be, I mean, it could be a setup for tomorrow. There's no levels here, really, is the issue. And we pretty much just have to play weakness on that, which on a Friday, I'm not too crazy about that, but do I trade live every day? Yes. In stock hours. Not on my YouTube, but yes, I trade live every day. Baba, there's nothing on Baba. Made sure to mark BA just in case, just to watch for weakness. because of that news for tomorrow. But like I said, there's no real levels there. Baidu, nothing as expected. Coin, nothing. Costco, nothing that I'm interested in. Disney, nothing. This could be a short charting session here, to be honest. We're getting through these pretty quick. But that's just how it goes sometimes. Cool. Nothing. By the way, if you guys have anything that you want me to take a look at, go ahead and send it and I'll take a look at it. Yeah, Meta went crazy today. On the 1 year, I'd be interested at 224.30, but that is about $4 away, and I'm not really trying to play meta after a $4 push on a Friday. So I mean, if we set up their pre-market, that's one thing, but yeah, meta 224.30 doesn't look bad. Let's see here. Yeah, I'd be interested at 224.30 on that. I'll leave that marked. Moderna kinda got a flat top at 162, but it's not the cleanest thing in the world. When you trade live on stock hours, do you show your screen or just call outs for signal? No, we don't screen share, but we're on the mic talking through everything we do, so there's no point in really sharing screen. Let's see here. This 294.18. Microsoft once again doing the same thing as NQ. Just consolidating. That 292 level wouldn't be awful, but yeah, we're about $2 away from that, so yeah, I don't know how great of a setup that would be if we did set up pre-market, but I will draw a line there and make sure to mark that. And then I'll go back over through these at the end and, you know, figure out which ones I actually like and write my ideas on them. MU, I'm expecting nothing, and there is nothing. Perfect. AMD, I'll go back up here to AMD. I saw AMD, we kind of had like a flat bottom here, but it's out of anything that I've looked at so far, it's not the cleanest play by any means. I mean, I do see that we, on the daily here, I do see that we haven't really closed anything below 91, but I think, yeah, I just don't really like how this looks, to be completely honest with you. Like, the 4 hour doesn't look bad. This right here, I mean, we're kind of setting up, it's just not the cleanest setup. So I'm probably gonna pass on AMD. Let's see here. Buy QQQ. Jack, I looked at NQ earlier. Which, I mean, it's the same thing as QQQ, pretty much, but we'll look at that in just a minute. Where was I at here? I think I was at MU, which there was nothing on. Now, Netflix, I was looking at this today. This actually looks extremely good for tomorrow, in my opinion. We've got this kind of like flat top at 347.14 right here. You can even extend this over a little bit further. And yeah, I'll go down to the 1 hour here. You guys will probably be able to see what I'm looking at. So you see how we broke out of this this 1 hour downtrend here. We closed above, which is awesome. I don't think we ended up breaking that 347.14 level. I think we closed like right at it. We're hovering right around that level. So that is definitely something that I could see myself playing tomorrow. Only thing I don't love is this 5-minute trend, but that is if we have enough momentum, that won't matter. But if we stay around these levels pre-market and we can open around this high, red to green on that, over, wrapped for the week. So yeah, I mean honestly, I could see me playing this 347.14 level into the 350 break, and we could probably, with that momentum, we could honestly probably take out this high here at 350.70. So that's definitely something I've got my eyes on. And I think we have a gap here. We may not. Yeah. Yeah. You are definitely right. Netflix on a Friday is going to go crazy. Hold on. I'm going to go back and answer some questions here. When you trade... Oh, wait. Yeah, I think I already answered that. You execute trades on Interactive Broker? No, I use eTrade Pro for my executions. A lot of the other guys do use Interactive, but I use eTrade Pro. What broker do you use to trade? That quick buy and sell button you show, sweet. Yeah, yep, that's on eTrade Pro. I actually don't think eTrade is offering Pro anymore. Like, if you specifically call and request it, you can get it, but the platform that they're pushing now and like advertising is Power eTrade, which, to be completely honest with you, I just think is a garbage platform compared to eTrade Pro. So you can still get it as long as you have your eTrade account and call them and basically just say, hey, I like eTrade Pro. I'm not a fan of Power eTrade. How can I get access to this? And then they'll give it to you. But if you're asking about the platform that I'm charting on right now, this is Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade. Yeah, I actually really like this Netflix setup here. So far, this is probably my favorite out of everything I've looked at. Netflix and Apple are my top two for sure as of right now. Go to PayPal here. I'm not expecting anything, and that's great because we have nothing per usual. I honestly couldn't tell you the last time I traded this stock, and I don't really know why it's still on my watch list. We'll go to QQQ here. Yeah, same thing as NQ here. We really haven't gone anywhere since last Wednesday or last Thursday. Like, we've just been in this consolidation range between, what is that, like 312 and 320. So we could break out of that tomorrow. That would be awesome. That would be make for some great moves stock wise on a Friday. That would be great. But there's nothing necessarily that I would play on that. Think I should stay on Webull or... Oh, wait, hold on. You think I should stay on Webull for options or should move to another broker? I mean, that's all personal preference there. I would not try and do any sort of, like, higher intensity trading on any mobile platforms like Webull or Robinhood. But that's, like I said, all personal preference there. I know there's definitely better brokers out there if you're actively day trading and like scalping options. So yeah, there's QQQ. Like I said, I don't really play anything on QQQ. Um, so I mean, I occasionally do, but it's never something that I'm like charting out, really waiting for a play on that. Go to Roblox, expecting nothing, and we have nothing, so there we go. That was quick. Roku, expecting nothing, and we have a barcode. Pretty sure you could actually scan this at Walmart and check out with something. So, Meta went crazy today. What level did you sell? Here, I'll go back to Meta and show you in just a second. Um, let's get through the rest of this though. Yeah, if you scalp like we do, definitely don't stay on. Yeah, yeah, I can agree. I keep wanting to call you Schnack, but I'm like stopping myself. um, Stop, nothing. Snap, nothing. Pretty typical. Snow, nothing that we can really play because the options never have volume anymore. So this, I don't even know why this is still on my watch list. This is, yeah, this is done. I don't even know. To be honest with you, I don't know why I had it on my watch list in the first place. Yeah, this is actually getting removed right now. There. Goodbye. Got Spy. Take a look at Spy. We had a really nice push on Spy today. Amazing facts. What's up? But yeah, we had a pretty nice push on Spy today. I caught 3 different trades on Spy today, and they were all bangers. So that was fun. 2 of those were after I was technically done for the day. So yeah, I mean, kind of the same concept as NQ though. We're still sort of in a range, not as bad, but we're just kind of in like an uptrend channel right now, as you can see on the 1 hour. Nothing I'm completely planning for tomorrow. There's no levels on there that I'm 100% planning for, but we will see because Maki always comes in with some insane spy plays. So go to SQ, nothing, and wait, hold on. Not sure if you looked at NVIDIA. Also, not even sure if it has any setups. I haven't charted it. Okay, yeah, I'll look at that real quick. Yeah, NVIDIA 263. I think I skipped right over this. I'm not gonna lie. NVIDIA 263. I am definitely interested in. I was looking at that today, but we never broke. So if we do get downside tomorrow, I'm definitely interested in this 263 level. I would say 260, but if you guys look at what candle that was, hold on. That was this random like gap candle right here. So 263 is the actual level I'm looking at though. Let's see. Oh, okay. So yeah, NVIDIA I'm definitely interested in to the downside if we do get downside. Then we will look at everybody's, actually, I'm going to skip that. We're going to go to the other ones that probably have no setups. Yep. Nothing. Nothing. Once again, these 3, I don't even know why I have them on my watch list anymore. And nothing. And now we'll go to everybody's favorite stock, Tesla. Let's see here. So today's I wouldn't I don't have I actually left my crystal ball at a friend's place, so I don't know exactly what it's gonna do tomorrow, but I'm just planning for both sides. I have plays for the upside and the downside, so it's always nice having upside and downside setups ready for the day, since futures could really do whatever. Yep, you are 100% correct. So yeah, let's hope our downside plays don't push and our upside plays don't fall, because that's the most annoying days, is when you have downside and upside trades planned, except they both do the exact opposite. To be completely honest with you, I don't see anything on Tesla that I like at all. Yeah, there's really nothing here for me on Tesla, which is surprising, but it's kind of been like that all week, to be honest. Um, Except for Monday. So that's fine. They all have their cycles of getting in and out of ranges, so right now is Tesla's time to be in a range. But yeah, I'm actually gonna clear some of these levels out while I'm at it. Yeah, so I think we've got my favorite setups. Rocco, what's up? My favorite setups are definitely gonna be Apple. Um, then we've got the weakness random news on BA. That's not really a setup, but I'll have that as a side watch. So here, I'm just trying to go through here and remember for myself. We got Apple, BA, nothing on Baba. I don't know why I have that marked. Apple, BA, Meta is probably going to be another side watch, depending on where we open at. Microsoft is definitely going to be a side watch, not a main. Netflix is going to be my main watch 100% if we don't break pre-market. And so yeah, Netflix is for sure my main watch. Then we have Apple. Those two are for the upside, and then we have Nvidia for the downside, and possibly BA to the downside if we set up. I'll just go ahead and write these ideas out real quick. All right. All right, we got Apple. What was that level? Hold up. You guys trade live? Does everyone usually trade? Yes, for the most part. I mean, you don't have to, obviously, but that's kind of what we're there for, you know. So Apple, pretty simple. Just looking at the 167 break. Let's see. Do we have any trends? I don't think we did. Let's see here. 167 was. So yeah, probably gonna be the 167 break. Might have a target of like 168 maybe. Room to 168. Then 4-hour uptrend at 170.73. All right. There we go. Now we've got. I'll do my upside plays first. So next we got Netflix. And we've got 347.14. 347.14. I'm drag this. And I'm just checking again for trends real quick. Yeah, yeah, I'll go ahead and just 347.14, room to 350, then what was the next level there? 350.70. 350.70 high. Let's see what we got after that. 350.70. I mean, honestly, after that, it's pretty much all based on momentum. A $3 push on Netflix on a Friday, though, is going to pay regardless. So, pretty much going to be based off of momentum after that. And honestly, even if we break 347.14 pre-market, I'll be looking at the 350 break into that 350.70 high. So, what I got there. Pretty simple. Now we got downside. We got Nvidia is my favorite for the downside. Definitely compared to BA, it's my favorite to the downside because there's an actual setup there. But like I said, BA will be a side watch. So we got Nvidia, what is that? Just 263 flat, right? Yep. 263, we got room to like, really have room to like 260. Yeah, here we go. I knew we had a trend on there. Yeah. All right. We got Nvidia 263 flat bottom. Yo, what's up? Louise. Yeah, all right. So we got 263 flat bottom, room to 261, 71, 30-minute downtrend. Then after that, we have room to like 260-ish, but I'm definitely not going to be in for that long on a Friday anyways, so that is all right. And then we have BA news. Watching for a setup to the downside. All right. Actually, I'm going to make a separate little section here as a side watch. BA news watching to the downside. Microsoft. What do we have here? Had 292.08 on Microsoft. Yeah. 292.08. Go. All right, and then I think I want to say that was it. Am I missing anything? I don't think I was. Is there anything you guys want me to take a look at while I'm here? While you guys are here? Wait a second to see. I think the chat is delayed. All right, well. Oh, Spy. Yeah, I took a look at Spy earlier. I'll look at it again real quick for you though. I said earlier there's not really any plays that I have like completely planned for either direction. I usually, to be honest, I usually don't. Maki usually just comes in with some crazy Spy plays. So that's usually how that ends up, to be honest with you. Yeah, I took a look at Meta. Oh yeah, I did miss Meta. That Meta, what, 224.30 level? I'll be watching that as well. Meta 224.30. Thank you for reminding me of that, by the way. 224.30. Great. Watching. Alright, and then we've got somebody said AMD again. Yeah, AMD. I took a look at AMD earlier. I will look at it again for you real quick though. I said earlier I mean, with the other plays that I have lined up, this really is just not a fantastic setup for me. It might be for you, and that's cool. But I don't trade AMD that often. I don't really want to trade AMD on a Friday, and I it's got to be like a really really good setup on AMD for me to be with it, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, AMD I'm good on, but I mean if there was anything, it would be this 9062 level. But it's not really much of a level, if that makes sense. Kind of just another low. So yeah, that's pretty much everything there. I think we got it all. We got Apple, Netflix, Nvidia, BA, Microsoft, and Meta. So yeah, I appreciate you guys coming out. I hope you guys have a good rest of your night and a rest of your trading week and a great week.